Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see audio save on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna save audio on the reels on the Instagram, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the audio on the reels, this one, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the save audio. Save. Okay, the audio has been saved, and then if you wanna see your saved audio, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. Okay, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top, click on the save, and then in here you just click on the audio, this one, click on it and finish. In here you can see many sound audio save or save on Instagram on your Instagram account. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.